Hey there, it's Coach Tom with Life Fitness, and I'm so excited to welcome you to your New Year, New You 42-day transformation program. Now, I think you're going to be absolutely amazed by how seamless this process is and how quickly the fat and unwanted pounds just melt off your body over the next 42 days. Here's why. We're going to transform your body, we're going to transform your mind, we're going to transform your habits, we're going to transform your cells, we're going to transform your life. And we're going to do this with some special tools. And one of these tools is the playbook that you're looking at right now. Now, for this video, I'm going to show you how to use this playbook to get the most out of your program at Life Fitness. First of all, you're going to see all of the steps of your playbook laid out. And right now you can see all of them because I'm logged into mine. But when you see yours, you'll only be able to see the first few all the way up to week 1. After that, you will be able to see the weeks as you need them as they come up. But right now I'm going to show you how to use all of them. Now, whenever you click on the step, for instance, how to earn your money back, boom, click on that. You just click on that cool little picture, and it'll tell you how to earn not only all the money you invested, but more following these steps. Bam, bam, bam. So you'll just, this basically breaks down how you can earn all the Life Fighter bucks. You can earn them for making progress. I mean, say you lose 10 inches, total of 20 inches from your thighs, your waist, and your neck. That'd be a lot of money that you got back. Say you lost 20 pounds, that's a lot of money. But more than that, you're going to get paid for every time you work out, as long as you check in on Facebook. You're going to get paid if you refer a friend to join our program. They can start next wave. You're going to get before pictures, everything. So this breaks down how you can get paid, and there's a lot of ways to do it. So if you want to go to another step, like for instance, this is one of the most important ones, your first steps. So you're going to complete this before you do your first week, and it's going to break down all the things you need to do to make sure you're ready to rock it. So you're going to have a goal setting form right here. Just click on that. You can set your goals. Right here, your progress form. This is to join our Life Fighter page. You're going to interact with other Life Fighters that are either doing this transformation program with you or have done a similar program, and they can share their experience. So it's a private group. Only Life Fighters are in it. So you'll be able to connect with other like-minded individuals just like yourself. Of course, this is very important, your progress photos. So you're going to take a front one, a side one, and a back one. All the instructions are on the form. Now, ideally, you're going to take these in board shorts or a bikini, and you're going to use the same outfit in week 3, and again at the end of the challenge, week 6. Now, if I had $1 for everybody that said, I sure wish I would have taken my before pictures, I would be able to retire early. But luckily, I'm not doing this for the money. I'm doing it for the transformations, so no need to retire just yet. My point is, take your before pictures. You'll be glad you did. Plus, I'll be completely transparent. We want to prove to the world how effective our program is, and social proof is the best way to do it. But if you don't want people to know it's you, we will use your pictures, but we'll block out your face. That way no one knows it's you. We can black out your whole head if we want, because I want to make sure I respect you and your privacy. But you're going to be so proud of your results that you may not want us to block it out. Now, again, we want to do these transformations so people see that our system works and they can take action, get off their couch, and do it too. So, again, this is very, very important. Make sure you join the Facebook group. Now, at any time you want to go back to another step, boom, just click right here, and it'll take you to that step. Right there. Boom, boom, boom. Now, on each step, it's going to ask you, if you have a question, you can ask it. And if you understand it, right, you understand it. And when you complete it, you can mark it here or here. And then it'll let you go right there to the next one. Down here are going to be important facts. So if there's a question that a lot of people ask, I'm going to just put it down here. That way you can just have instant access to it. So basically, this playbook will grow as you're going. Now, you'll want to You'll start off with your 2-day detox. This is to get your body nice and clean, and it's really easy. Lots of fruits, lots of vegetables, very easy to follow. You can download it right here and make sure that you have it. And then you're going to go through your weeks. Weeks 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, 1 week after another. And each week it's going to have different things for you to complete, all of them earning you LifeLighter bucks. Now, boom, let's see what happens here. Let's go back to this. Now, what's awesome about being a LifeLighter is you have a playbook portal. So this will be in your playbook portal, but soon we'll have other playbooks for you too, like well, more on that later. I don't want to confuse things. Essentially, this lets you go through and do the steps. These won't pop up on yours until this time is right. But by the time you're done, you're going to have graduation steps. Oh, special VIP invitation. Some people like to get crazy and take advantage of it early, but some people wait till the end of the challenge. This is when you can use all your LifeLighter bucks and put them towards your own VIP membership. That way you can achieve your ultimate goal. At any time, if you want to refer someone to our group, to our challenge, to our program, you just click here and it'll show you all the steps to do it. You can do Facebook timeline posts. You can do group messages. Basically, there's a lot of different ways to do it. Now, if you follow the steps, you will get all your money back and then some. I explained that there. And it makes it so you can actually earn back more than you put in. But most importantly, we want it, myself, Coach Tevin, Coach Amia, Coach Denise, all of our LifeLighter team, we want you to transform the way you think, the way you feel, and the way you live, and help you have a healthier, happier life. But this playbook right here is your guidebook to success. Use it wisely, use it every day, and make sure you complete the steps as you go. That way we know you are good to go. Coach Tom, most grateful man on the planet, and I'm grateful that you got this playbook, and I'm grateful you're about to transform your life.